I'm West. That's Lucy. I'm on a quest for the perfect campsite. And the quest for a perfect campsite needs the perfect equipment for the perfect quest for the perfect campsite. I think I can squeeze perfect in there several more times. I'm not gonna give it another go. Use your imagination. West Goes Wandering. The vroom vroom. This is a Toyota Tacoma SR5. And I call him Icarus. Because he's flying me way too close to the sun. I got an extra tire, just in case the other tires don't work. I've got skid plates, I've got running boards, I've got suspension. Bah, bah, bah. I've got a smart cap. I've seen no evidence that it's actually smart, but it must be if it's called a smart cap. I've got Icarus food. I've got an awning. Got everything I need. The Off-Grid Trailers Expedition 2.0. It's got everything that Icarus doesn't have, so I call them wings. Wax wings for Icarus to fly too close to the sun. Get it? Come on, keep up here. It's also got a spare tire. It's got a refrigerator boy to keep my food refrigerated and fresh. It's got a sink, it's got a stove, it's got doors, which are very convenient because if there were just walls, it'd be very difficult to get inside unless I was a ghost. And to the best of my knowledge, I'm not a ghost. It's got a bed, which I have to imagine is more comfortable for me as not a ghost than if I was a ghost. It's got blankets and pillows and a sound system and tires and suspension and water, and there's wings food up there to keep my refrigeration refrigerated, and so I don't have to go to the train station for ice. The equipment. For the last 8 months, I've been driving around the US using this map that I drew in the dirt today to determine where the perfect campsite is. Using my simple 112-point criteria to gauge the perfect campsite, I think I'm now on the right track. I'm in Medicine Bow? I haven't seen any medicine or bows or boughs. So I'm in a national forest. It has trees, it has water, it has plants, it has wildlife. It has me, it has Lucifer. It has fire rings and firewood from the trees and other things that national forests have, like roads made of dirt and the sky. Very blue, highly recommend. So what does Medicine Bow not have? Medicine and bows and boughs. I haven't seen any of those. Not a single one. Medicine Bow, you're right out. You're not the perfect campsite.